Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I would like to show to you how the way to make a handwriting design on Canva application. Maybe you can do that on your Canva desktop or your Canva mobile. So the way to do that, it's so simple. It takes maybe less than 10 seconds to make it because we're using AI. So it just depends on your keyword that you are type on the AI. Okay, now let's go to the tutorial. Here on the new page, you need to slide the toolbars and then click this apps button. And now on the search bar, you can type Magic Media. This is the apps that has an AI that can make a design just from our keyword. Okay, these apps, this one that we will to use, click it to open it, and there will be a few choices. The first one is image, the second is graphic, and the third one is videos. But for the videos, unfortunately, there's a few account or maybe a country that cannot use these video tools. So because we want to make a handwriting, we will check this graphic. Okay, after that, you just need to type a word onto this bar. As you can see, enter 5+ words to describe. So for example, I'm just going to use these tools inspired me, this one, to make it much more quick, and then just click it and the word will be show up, and after that click this generate graphic. Before that, you can choose the style of the graphic that you want to add. Because we will make a handwriting, we will use this doodle style, and there's a plenty of choice of style. You can use it as you want. Okay, after that, generate the graphic and wait for a moment. The time that takes to waiting, it depends on the keyword that you are insert before. So much more complex, it will make you much more waiting time to AI for generate the design. So after finish, this is the result that you got. As you can see before, I type a modern home with a lush garden, and the AI will give us a result, this one. And the AI also give us a few choice that we can use. So yep, you can use any choices of the design. And just the way how to use it, you just need to click the design that you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this design. Just click it like this, and the design will be shown up on your page, just like that. As you can see, now we can have a hand drawing sketch of a design, this one. And that's the way how to use AI to make a hand drawing on Canva desktop or maybe your Canva mobile, just like me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.